Hi, I'm Deborah Nance, and today we're going to answer the question, how does a reverse mortgage work? So here we go. First, the lender has to determine the loan amount. They'll use a formula set out by FHA that takes into account the value of the home, the age of the borrowers, and the current interest rates to determine the loan amount. Usually it's between 40 and 60% of the home value, depending on your age. Once they know what you qualify for, then they'll want to know how you want to take your money. The closing costs of the loan will be rolled into the loan itself. This means you'll have a starting balance equal to those costs plus any other funds you decide to take at closing. Perhaps you have your home paid off and don't need to have all of the loan money right now. You could choose to take your loan proceeds in the form of tenure, which is a monthly payment for as long as you live in the home. In this scenario, on the first of every month, you will receive tax-free funds from the lender. Each month you would also receive a mortgage statement. It'll show you the prior month's loan balance, the amount of payment to you, the amount of interest and insurance charged, and the new loan balance. Or perhaps you'd like to have all of your loan funds ready and available as you need them in a line of credit. In this scenario, you would receive a statement each month from the lender showing the existing loan balance and the amount of funds previously available in a line of credit. The statement would also show any withdrawals you made from the line of credit the prior month and the new available line of credit. One of the coolest features of this particular scenario is that the line of credit on a reverse mortgage grows over time. The amount available to you in the line of credit grows at a rate equal to the rate charged on the loan itself plus 1.25%. So reverse mortgage line of credit in the amount of $100,000 today would be over $104,000 next year. It's a great incentive to limit your withdrawals, building up that line of credit over time so that when you're 70, 80, or 90 and really need money for home health care or other emergencies, you have more to draw from. Another scenario would be to take all your money right now to make a major purchase like a second residence or investment property. The last and most popular scenario is to combine those different payout options, perhaps taking some funds at closing to pay off other debts and leaving the rest in a line of credit. It's your choice. I've had clients who choose some cash, some line of credit, and a 10-year payment as well. It's up to you. If you currently have a traditional or forward mortgage, you can use the reverse mortgage to pay it off. In fact, it's required by the lenders that any existing mortgage on the property must be paid off with the reverse loan proceeds. The reverse has to be the only loan on the property. Now you know the bank's going to make money on this reverse mortgage, right? They're a bank and that's what they do. I mean really, they're in those big tall buildings downtown and they're happy to make money off of us millions living in our sweet little homes. Basically, the banks and investors are just patient. They wait. They wait until you die, sell, or permanently leave the home due to medical reasons. Then all the funds that have been borrowed, plus all the accrued interest and insurance is due and payable. Usually the heirs will sell the home, pay off the reverse, and keep the change. But if the home does not have enough value to pay off the balance, then what? This part's pretty cool. The reverse mortgage is a non-recourse loan. This means if the proceeds from the sale of the home are not sufficient to pay off the mortgage, the bank has no recourse to the borrower or their heirs for the shortfall. So the worst that can happen is your kids get nothing from the home when you pass away. Well, that took a little longer than I thought, so thanks for sticking with me. I hope you found it to be helpful. I'd appreciate you leaving a comment or any other questions you might have in the comment section below. I'll be answering more questions in the following weeks, so don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and be notified when a new video is posted. If you want to know specifically what you might qualify for on a reverse mortgage, please click on the link below to provide me with the basic information needed for an analysis. You'll have your numbers in no time.